Ready to explore France without the hassle of public transport? Let's get you rolling with your own Uber account. It's easier than ordering a croissant. First, download the Uber app from your app store, search for Uber, and look for the familiar icon. Once you've found it, tap install or get to download it to your phone. After the download is complete, open the app. You'll be greeted with the welcome screen. Now tap sign up to create your account. Next, enter your full name and a valid French phone number. Make sure it's one you have immediate access to, as you'll need to verify it. Uber will send a verification code to your phone number via SMS. Enter that code in the app when prompted. This confirms that you are who you say you are and that you have access to the phone number you entered. Now, create a strong password for your account. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. And tap Next. It's time to set up your payment method. You can choose to add a credit card, debit card, or PayPal account. Just fill in the necessary details and make sure the billing address is correct. And that's it. Your Uber account is now set up in France. You can now enter your destination, explore available ride options, and request a ride to your destination. Enjoy exploring France.